In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com apps. By the end, you'll know how to find the right app for your workflow, evaluate it quickly, and install it on the exact workspace and board you want. Start on your Monday.com homepage. At the top of the screen, look for the small puzzle piece icon. This is your shortcut to the app's marketplace. Click it to open the Discover area, where Monday curates popular and useful tools that plug straight into your boards. Inside Discover, you'll see collections designed to help you explore. Featured highlights widely used, high-quality apps. For You is tailored to your account's activity and can surface great fits without much digging. Trending shows what's gaining momentum across users right now, which is helpful when you want solutions that are actively supported and talked about. You'll also see special spotlights like top or editor's picks, which are great when you just want a strong, vetted starting point. If you already have something specific in mind, use the search bar at the top of the marketplace. Type a name or a keyword that describes the problem you're solving, things like forms, reporting, automations, or time tracking. As results appear, you can open any app card to learn more before committing. On an app's details page, review what it does, the permissions it needs, and which plans it supports. Check screenshots or demo videos to see how it appears on a board, and skim ratings and recent updates to make sure it's actively maintained. If pricing or trials are available, they'll be listed here as well, which is useful for testing before rolling out to a wider team. When you're ready, click Install. You'll be prompted to choose where the app should live. Pick the appropriate workspace, then select the exact board that will use it. This ensures the app shows up in the right place and keeps your account tidy. Confirm your choices and continue. If the app needs access to certain data or external services, approve the requested permissions so it can function properly. After installation, head to the board you selected. Many apps appear as a new board view, an item view, or provide integration recipes you can add. Look for a new tab or an integrations prompt on that board and follow any setup hints provided by the app to finish configuration. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Some apps require admin approval, so if you don't see the install option, check with your admin. Consider testing on a sandbox or a sample board first, and revisit the marketplace anytime via the puzzle icon to browse, update, or manage your installed apps.